lovelies, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to share a communion bread recipe with you, the SDA style of communion bread. We have a lot in the market, but this is how Adventists we go about our communion bread. Before we go on, please subscribe for me if you have not yet subscribed. Click on the bell icon to get notifications, like, comment and share. So I have my flour, 2 cups, which is 250 grams. I added a teaspoon of salt, 80 ml of olive oil. Yes, so when you are making communion bread, you need only 4 ingredients: salt, wheat flour, oil, olive oil and water. So the flour is whole wheat flour. I added extra of the oil. I added half, that is 40 ml of it to it. So I'll just be sprinkling my water, so you can see how the flour is after mixing with the oil. So I'll just be sprinkling water on it little by little till I get the texture that I'm looking for. Do you get it? And so we'll mix it very well. Yes, please like and share this video, leave a comment. This is communion bread, and so it's better you use whole wheat instead of white flour, because whole wheat is organic. Do you get it? Okay, so after, the next thing you do is to bring out your parchment paper, mold some of the dough, place it on the parchment paper, place another parchment paper on it, and then you'll be rolling it. Okay, you are going to roll this very flat. Okay, roll it very flat. Okay, and because this is a communion bread, if you are doing it, you have to pray before you start, especially you are doing it for church, so you have to pray before you start. But this, I'm doing it for myself. I was craving for the communion bread, yes, so I said, oh, let me make some and enjoy it at home. But if you are making it for church, for communion service, make sure you pray over it. So I just use my ruler to mark it. Yes. Then I'll be marking it this way. And so I'm just trying to satisfy my cravings. So I decided to bake some communion bread and snack on it. Hey, okay, so after, with my baking pan, I'll just lift it and place it in the baking pan. Yes, and then I'm going to roll the rest of the dough also. Okay. So just this way, I'll roll it very flat. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to also cut them just as the way I did for the first one. So okay. So using ruler also to get my lines. Even with the ruler, I was getting the lines a bit crooked. Okay, so this is how we go about it. Then I'm going to use, yes, to lift them and place them in the baking pan. Okay. Please like and share this video. So this is it. I'm going to bake this. So I baked it for 10 minutes. Make sure that you lower your oven and then bake it. Let it bake slowly, because this bakes very quick. And this is this, you see. So this is just to satisfy my cravings, but you can use the same method for church communion. So this is it, our communion bread ready. You see, yes. Okay, and make sure that you wear gloves like the way I wore gloves, because this is communion, so you don't want to contaminate it. And so this is it, family. Thanks so much for watching. Like and share this video, leave a comment as well. Bye bye.